Hey guys, sorry I haven't made a video in a while, been extremely busy, but I wanted to speak about this a little bit, and it's about the carnivore diet. You guys know I'm a huge fan of this, and when I eat this carnivore diet, I strictly just eat red meat. That's it. Now, I never had any issues with it till now. That's why I stopped it for a bit. This time when I ate it, I got really sick, and I was doing some research, asked some friends about it, some doctors, and I found a couple answers for you. If you guys are having a hard time digesting red meat on its own, and it's because a lot of the time it's too much fat for us to digest at one time, and it kind of just messes you up. So best thing to do is to mix it with some other food. It doesn't have to be a lot. I'm not a huge fan of carbs, but mix a little bit of carbs with it. A lot of the time red meat, any kind of fatty foods like that, needs some kind of combination of food, usually a carb, to help it digest better. So a carb works great. I would just have a little handful of rice, a little piece of bread, something like that. See if that works for you. I'm gonna try it up again because I laid off the diet for a little bit just because I got screwed up pretty bad. But try it again, guys, and let me know how you feel.